Yield to me. Nope. Because they're in a BMW. They yield to no one. Wow. That was a dick move. Stupid, stupid. Not gonna lie, on Mercer, sitting in this lane, it's a little scary. Wank Panzer! That's a nice bike you got there. Very good. Just drove over the curb. The freshly painted curb at that. I guess we don't look. Use your eyes, man. Yep, right turn from the far left lane. Very smart. Great planning. It's your light, man. Really gonna ride up the sidewalk rather than the bike lane. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yep, they're still going up the sidewalk. Wait. Yep, that's where they go. I'll come back and fix it. Yep. Riding down the sidewalk. It's like bike lanes don't exist. Whoa, crossing all the lanes of traffic when there's traffic coming up right behind you. Very dumb. This feels like there's like a storm coming. But it never storms here, so I don't know what to think. Yep, very good. Very good driving. Are we gonna catch somebody coming crashing out of this tunnel? Wouldn't surprise me. Maybe not right now, but at some point. Middle of the street, great place to park. Very good. Hey, dumbass, read your handlebars. You're not supposed to ride on the sidewalk. Hey, hey, hey! You don't look? You all right? Sorry. I scared you. I scared you on purpose so that you paid attention. It's all good. Just, this is an active lane of traffic, so you gotta look. You okay though?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm all right. Watch the door, man. All right, guys, we have something very interesting here. We have a classic car, door wide open, crashed into that Scion, totally blocking the road. No one around. Who the fuck knows what just happened? I just filed a Find It Fix It report for an abandoned car. Took pictures, all that good stuff. So hopefully they will come by and take care of that. But then again, this is Cap Hill. You can park wherever you want. Puppy dog. Not supposed to ride on the sidewalk, jackass. Ride in the street. Wow, they're more in the street than they are in the bike lane. Hello. Hello. Thanks for blocking the bike lane. Very good. I wasn't expecting that to be DoorDash. Yeah, at least they acknowledged I'm blocking the street. For you. So it's your fault. Wow, look at this bullshit. Yeah, let's just park on the sidewalk. Good job. What's up, Jimmy? Oh, nice turn signal. Oh, you do have a turn signal. It's for U-turning. See? That's what turn signals are for. That is a great place to stand. Take your time. just dead stops in the middle of the road looking at their phone. Right in the street, idiot.
He is barely my assholes.
Go around, right? Indiana 2891527 Penske. Looks like they're leaving. Right up there. I don't think that would be a good idea. Should I ride right there? I don't think that would be a good idea. Okay, they engaged it in gear. Move along now. So far. Yay. Yeah. Thanks for blocking the bike lane. Really? Blocked the bike lane.
We blocked the what?
The bike lane.
Oh, we didn't block shit. We were at the store.
What's this then?
Yeah, but we were at the store.
What's this? What's this? What's this right here?
That's a whole fucking road where you can ride your bike on.
And get run over?
Nerve to tell us that
you want me to get run over? Is that what you want?
We were working.
So? That doesn't mean you can park in bike lanes. Hey, you know what? What is this? This is a bike. This is a bike lane.
Did you fit?
Barely. Barely.
You know what?
Only once you moved away. Hey, you know what? Fuck your face. The instant defensiveness says it all. The instant defensiveness says it all. I can do it too. I can do it too. Eat a dick.
And your father smelt of elderberries.
You got space to go around. You can go around, right?
Hey, get out the way.
Oh, you're littering.
You want us to throw dollars at you?
You're littering.
Whore. Get out the way, you whore. Get out the way, you whore.
Thank you.
Get out the way, whore.
I could use a bag. Thank you.
You don't have dollars to throw
You
at
can-
you whore.
You can go around.
Get out the way, whore.
Suck a dick.
Whore!
Oh, they don't like it when I block the street? There's Gap. Where'd that cone go? Over there? Back to where you belong. Oh my God, the pedestrian's running a red light. Holy shit.